Hey guys, so had a couple of posts that got rotted out, and I wanted to put metal ones in the same spot, but previously I had to drill out all the wood and stuff. But this, I was like, you know what, maybe since the wood is like rotted, I can just pound my post right down in there, and that's what happened. So I have an 8-foot post. Last time I tried, instead of digging out all the concrete, because it's probably the last guy he put in concrete, it was like all the way around, and I kind of need my posts in the same spot because I'm gonna put a gate here. So I was just able to just pound this right down into there, and then I'll probably just fill in that little area with like concrete or whatever. I mean, it's got a little bit of movement, but once I do that, it's gonna be like solid. So make sure you just get galvanized poles, which I don't think I did here, but I probably should have. Anyways, these should hold for quite a while. I'm just going to pound my post right down into the 4x4s. You can see how it's broken off there. And this one went right in, so no problem. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching.